Mike Kinderleiter here with PowerWash.com and PowerWash University, and I want to talk to you about Max Quat real quick. Max Quat is an awesome disinfectant for all kinds of things that get on surfaces, and in this time where we're fighting COVID and stuff, this product has been used a lot. It's actually on the EPA N list, which means it's, I can't say approved, but it's recognized by the EPA, because some people say approved. EPA doesn't approve things, they just recognize products for being able to fight certain things. And it happens to be on the EPA N list for doing that. The great thing about this is it's super, super concentrated. So this 1 gallon jug of Max Quat can make 256 gallons of product. It mixes at 1 to 2 ounces to 2.5 gallons. And it goes up from there. But if you get the product, we'll put the chart in there, you'll know how to blend it and mix it. And you can apply it with a fogger, electrostatic foggers. You can do it through a pump-up sprayer or mister, things like that. It will work in all applications. And it also has a neutral pH level, so it's not corrosive like bleach is. So you can put this on surfaces, let it dry, not worry about it corroding or having damaging effects on the surface or things that you apply it to. Max Quat, great product. If you've got questions, we're happy to answer them. Just let us know.